Good morning, one and all. In this class, we see with the problem number 6, which I have given in the script. From the following particulars relating to Bengaluru branch for the year ended, the branch is Bengaluru branch. We have to prepare Bengaluru branch account. For the year ending 31st March 2015, prepare the necessary account in the head office books. So, in order to prepare such books, we go through the information. Stock at branch, opening stock, debit side. Datas, it's opening datas, debit side, and as well as within the datas account, two balance brought down. Petty cash, debit side of the branch account. Goods sent to branch, debit side of the branch account. Remittance from branch during the year 2014. Amount na ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, right? So by cash account, by cash sales and received from datas, it will both come in the branch account, credit side by bank account. And when it comes to datas account, only received from the datas will be recorded under, that is a credit side of the datas account. Next one, credit sales during the year, that is 2014-15. Amount, that is 3,42,000. So, that is head office, they are sending a check to the branch. Check sent to branch during 2014-15 for the purpose of salary, rent and petty cash, right under two bank account, 13,500, 2,250, 1,650 respectively. The total amount 17,400. Next one, stock at branch, closing stock, that is 37,500. Petty cash at branch, that is 300. Closing petty cash. Goods returned by branch, that is by goods returned by branch, that is amount 3,000, right under credit side. Next one, so with this information prepare the branch account, but in order to prepare the branch account, another account we have to prepare, that is memorandum datas account, in order to know the closing datas, right? Apply the data to the problem. First we will prepare the datas account to balance brought down 45,000. Next, to credit sales amount 3,42,000. Next, by cash account, that is amount received from datas, amount received from datas, amount, that is 3,15,000. 3,15,000. That's it. There is no any other sales return. There is no any discount allowed. Make it balance. 3,42,000 plus 45. That is 3,87,000. 3,87,000 minus 3,15,000. That is by balance carried on. That is a closing datas which we will write in credit side of the branch account. Amount, balance amount 72,000. Now, meanwhile again go with the branch account to openings stock, amount 22,500. Next, to opening datas, amount 45,000. To petty cash. Petty cash amount is 450. Next, goods sent to branch amount. Goods sent to branch amount 3,78,000. And the next one is there is a expenses to bank account in the form of salary. Next, rent and rate, petty cash. Salary 13,500, rent and rate 2,250. Next, petty cash 1,650. Total of all these 17,400. Next, come to the credit side by bank account. First one is cash sales amount 90,000. Meanwhile, they have received the amount from debtors. Received from debtors amount 3,15,000. Totally 4,05,000 bank account. Next, by goods returned from by branch. Goods returned by branch amount 3,000. Next, closing balances we have to find out by closing stock. Given amount closing stock, that is 37,500. By closing petty cash amount 300. Next, by closing debtors which we have calculated in the working note number 1 in the debtors account, balance is 72,000. Right, that's it with the problem. Make it balance. Credit side 5,17,800. Minus of the debit balance amount, that is to general P&L account. The balance is 54,450. It is profit. Carried on. Balancing figure. Right, very simple problem. That is, it may ask for the 6 marks, and if you are lucky enough, it will come for the 14 marks. Right. We will see with the problem number 17. Problem number 16. Question number. Once again, that is a problem number 16. It is 2016 question paper. Again, welcome to the classes. We will see with the problem number 16, 2016 question paper. From the following particulars relating to Mangalore branch for the year ending 31st March 2014, prepare branch account and the necessary account in the books of head office at Mysore. First one is stock at branch, debit side of the branch account. Next, branch debtors, opening debtors, debit side of the branch account, and memorandum debtors account, debit side, that is 2 balance brought down. Petty cash at the branch, that is 2 petty cash in the branch account. Next one is goods sent to branch, that is 2 goods sent to branch in the branch account. Next one is cash sales by bank account, credit side. Credit sales, it will come in the debtors account, 2 credit sales. Next, cash received from debtors. It is an amount received from the debtors that we write under, that is the credit side of the memorandum debtors account, and again in branch account by bank account. Cash sales ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದನ್ನ add ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Next one, cash sent to branch for expenses, that is to bank account, rent, salary and petty cash. Next one, stock at the branch, closing stock, petty cash at the branch, closing petty cash, credit side. Next, goods sent to goods returned by branch, that is a credit side. Right, with this information prepare the branch account, and one more, that is we have to prepare, that is a closing, that is a memorandum debtors account in order to know the closing balance of the debtors. Now go with the one by one, that is memorandum debtors account, to balance brought down, that is the opening debtors 4,700. Next, credit sales amount 40,400. Next, by cash account, that is amount received from debtors, amount received from debtors 37,900. There is no any sales return, there is no any discount allowed, bad debts. 40,400 plus 4,700 amount 45,100 again by balance carried on. It is closing debtors amount 7,200. This balance carried on will be written in the branch account, that is as by closing debtors. Now again prepare the debtors account. To opening stock amount 8,900. Next, to opening debtors amount 4,700. Next, to petty cash 20. Next, there is a goods sent to branch. Goods sent to branch amount 28,400. Next, an expenses incurred in the branch, which is the amount sent by the head office to bank account. Salary, rent, petty cash. ये ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ. 2000, 6000, 1000. Total is 9,000. Next, credit side by bank account, that is cash sales amount 15,800. Next, amount received from debtors amount 37,900. Both the amount 50,800 plus 37,900, 53,700. Next, there is a goods returned by branch to head office. By goods returned from debtors, head office. Sorry. There is a from branch 800. Next, closing balances, closing stock 5,400. By closing petty cash 30 rupees. Next, by closing debtors amount 7,200, which we are calculated in the working note number 1 in memorandum debtors account. Make it balance both the side. 67,130, 67,130, and the balance amount is to general P&L account, that is profit. Amount 16,110. Hope everyone are following with the problems and you are practicing it. ಕೊನೆಯದಾಗಿ ಇದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದರ ಪ್ರತಿಫಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಸಮಯ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.